I'm going to show you how to prune and deadhead a rose. Now it's really straightforward. You want to remove any of the flower heads that have flowered and started to die off. And when the whole of the stem has finished flowering, you cut back down to the nearest leaf. Removing anything from a plant that is dead, diseased or damaged is key, like this bit here. There's no benefit to that being left on the plant. The more you deadhead throughout the season, the more flowers it will encourage, meaning that you will hopefully get flowers all the way through into autumn. Any stems that are rubbing against each other create open wounds where disease can get in, so they also want to be removed. And generally speaking, you want to remove at least 2/3 of the plant. So you would be really brutal and take it back to its lower growth down here. So dead, diseased, damaged, weak and crossing wood, cut to an outward facing bud on a diagonal, and you should have a very healthy rose that will flower for months and months.